Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to bring a couple other picks to your attention. The argument that I've been making in these videos, and this now it feels about like the third week in a row that I've had to comment on this. But as long as we continue to hold this general path across the 8 and the 21, I feel like I have to continue to err in favor of these indexes pushing higher. Of course, the spiders have found some resistance here along 282, and if you would prefer to just be patient until a bigger decision here is made, that's understandable. At the same time, I try to be a little bit more active and try to find names that are going to outpace the S&Ps either way, and one of those that I thought I'd bring to your attention is CGC. Now, not all of these have been, necessarily the easy, like everybody just holds hand and let's make money. They've been kind of a volatile, weird sector to trade, but I feel like the current pattern that you've got in CGC is beneficial. You can see that the symmetry that came in here at 41.89 was just a reflection of this swing high against this swing low projected from this high. So when I see a pattern that to me is constructive, and holding symmetry tends to be a constructive pattern, then that helps create what I would coin as like a little bit of a bullish pattern here. You've been consolidating around 42 to about 50 for some time, and the fresh daily squeeze in my mind is getting ready to move higher. So I've been working that one, getting out into the next month out and looking for some of the in-the-money options. I think that one will do a little bit better than the market, or at least has the chance to have that honey badger tone to it. And I think that that is worth keeping on your list. Now, other ones, Microsoft I wanted to point out to you too, not because I think, obviously, this is going to be a very market-sensitive type name, but you've got a 130-minute squeeze on this, and that coincides with what I'm looking at on the weekly chart. The old highs are not that far away at this point, back up here at 116.18. The tough thing about this Microsoft analysis is I'm going to have to tell you the same thing down here at 107. If it were to fall there, I'd love to buy it there, but I feel like it's been doing a decent job consolidating at this price point, and that smaller time frame squeeze in a confluence with being so close to these highs may have us looking for another shove higher in Microsoft. So keep that in mind, and hopefully it gives you some good trading opportunities. We'll update this in the next free video and go from there.